Hey guys, today on this video we're gonna be throwing a 2-color name and number on the back of this Phillies jersey, and we're doing that right now. Hey guys, I'm Riverside from Garment Creations, and on this channel you get tips and tricks to amplify your t-shirt business. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Go ahead, put a like on this video and check out all the other videos we have on the channel to get your tips and tricks to amplify your business. I got this jersey that a customer dropped off, and he's trying to do something to match the front. The front is a little applique going on here. Sorry for the lighting, it's a little dark in here for some reason because I think I switched the lens. But anyways, so we're not able to do the applique, but what we're gonna do is gonna do a 2-color effect. So we're gonna do the white on the base using wet flex vinyl, and then we're gonna go on top of that with a red easy weed numbers. So let's jump over to the heat press. I've already cut the name and the number out. We're just gonna jump over there and apply. So I have the jersey laid out right here. I did put a heat pillow underneath of that because of the buttons. You know, with the jerseys you want to make sure you have even pressures. Anything with buttons, seams, anything, you want to use your heat pillows. All right, if you're interested in these heat pillows, hit the links in the description below. I have the numbers. We're gonna start with the underbase, which is the white wet flex. We're gonna apply the wet flex on there, let it cool down, peel that off, and then apply the easy weed right on top of that. Wet flex is a cold peel, so we're gonna let it cool down before we go to the next step. Using it cut right through the plastic, so I have to peel it right off like that. At this point, we have our white. Sorry, the lighting though. The lighting is a little crazy on this video. I'm gonna have to switch the lens. Well, over here we got our main lens on. And what we're gonna do now is just try to pre-roll this thing, make sure we're good. Everything is good right where it needs to be. And yeah, let's get it over to the heat press. We're back over at the heat press. See, we still have our heat pillow here. We're gonna load this thing. Load this thing right up. And now we're gonna try to match up our second color. The back color here is a little bit of a border, so it's kind of easier. It's easier to load up your second color because you have the fresh color as the backing. I think we're looking good there. Our color is nicely laid out. Just like that, you have your 2-color name and number on the jersey.